Hey guys, how you doing? This is Mr. Mara, of course. It's been a while for our YouTube videos, but we are back, folks. And so first of all, make sure you watch the meet recording if you were not at the meeting or just wanted to refresh it, because I really went over expanding logarithms there. So what I'm going to be doing now is, if you noticed right here on our assignments, assignment right here, so expanding goes up to number 19, right? So from 20 to 28 and also 29 to 34. So 20 to 28 is right here. This was condensing a logarithm. So I first want to explain condensing a logarithm. All right, that's 20 to 28. And then I want to go on to using the change of base formula to evaluate the logarithm. So I'll go over that as well. Okay, so let's take a look right here. Let's first look at condensing a logarithm. Okay, and this is a good example to go over right here. Which of the following is equivalent to log of 9 plus 3 log of 2 minus log of 3? Okay, so let's take a look here. So I'm condensing a logarithm. Condensing a logarithm, condensation, right? All right, but don't worry, this is not biology class, this is math, okay? But anyway, condensing a logarithm, so what we're doing is, that means that we'll have several logs, we'll have 2 or more logs initially. All right, so this particular example right here is right from your book, right down there, plus 3 log of 2 minus log of 3. So what this means that right here is that we have several logs, and we're going to go and basically we have several logs, and we're going to put it, we're going to put them all into one single log right here. Okay, so that's what the issue is, right? We have, like, several logs right here, and we just want to make it all one log. Okay, so no problem, one logarithm. Okay, so let's see here. So we have log of 9 plus 3 log of 2 minus log of 3. Okay, so my first step right here, what I want to do is I want to first take care of the exponents, all right? And that means the power. We're going to go and use what we said was the power property. So right here, that would just be specifically right here, the power property. All right, so right here, log of 9, no power property there. 3 log of 2, yes indeed. We can take that 3 and put it right in front. So that'll be right here, log 2 to the 3rd power. Okay, and then bring everything else down. All right, no problem. And then right here, I want to go ahead and just simplify anything right here. Of course, we just want to go and simplify anything that I need to. 2 to the 3rd is 8, so that really that's just going to be log of 8. All right, no problem. So now right here, what I want to do from left to right, okay, my second step right here is I'm going to, any addition, I'm going to make that a product, right? That's going to be, turn into the product. And any subtraction, that's going to turn into quotient. And you want to do that from left to right. Okay, so let's take a look here, right here. So we have, and sorry about this bad handwriting right here, that is a log, that is supposed to be a G, all right? Let's see here. So log of 9 plus log of 8. So I'm going to turn that from left to right. That's going to become right here, log of 9 times 8, right here. And then we have right here minus 3, so that is going to be right there. That minus is going to be like a fraction right there, divided by 3. So that turns into log of 9 times 8 divided by 3. Okay? The plus right here became times. The minus right here became division, and it's 1 log because we are condensing right here. So that comes out right here to be log of 9 times 8, of course, is going to be 72 over 3. All right, and I'm running out of room right here, so that ends up being log of 72 divided by 3, of course, is going to be 24. So that's going to be log of 24. And that is my answer right there. Okay? All right, so let's take a look here. So that's why, going back here, there's your answer right there, log of 24. And they showed the same way I did right here. So let's look at one more of condensing. We already looked at a lot of expanding. Let's look at this example right here for number 6 right here. So we're condensing right here. Ln of 4 plus 3 ln of 3 minus ln of 12, right? And we're pushing it all together, right? Condensing. Remember, I just kind of explained that is right there. We had several logs right there. We just want to put it all into 1 log. Okay, so right here. So what does that mean? First of all, what I want to do is I'm going to take that 3 and I'm going to put that right there as my exponent. Okay, so that's going to end up being right there, ln of 3 to the 3rd. All right, and I'm going to bring everything else down. Next, I'm going to go and simplify, right? So 3 to the 3rd is 27. All right, we have that. Next, I'm going to go ahead and from left to right, addition would be multiplication. Division is, subtraction rather is going to be division right here. So that's going to give me right here, we have ln right here of 4 times 27. And then right here, that's going to be, minus is going to be division divided by 12. So I'm going to write that, 4 times 27 divided by 12. Okay? So there we go right here. And then you just simplify. You can simplify this on a calculator if that works for you. Or you may just notice right here, well, wait a second. 4 times 27 divided by 12, right? Well, can I reduce right here? I know that right here, excuse me. Right here, I know that 4 and 27, that's going to be 1 over 3, right? So that's going to be 27 over 3, which equals 9. So that'll just be ln of 9. And then we're done, okay? So we condensed it right there. All right, now, next thing we'll look at is something called the change of base formula. Right? Logarithms with any base other than 10 or e can be written in terms of a common log or a natural log using the change of base formula. This allows you to evaluate any logarithm using a calculator. So let's look here. It says log base c of a can be converted to log with any base of a over log with any base over c. All right, I'm sure people are totally confused right now, or you can make it as natural log of a over natural log of c. All right, let's look at an example right here. So let's see here. Let's see here. So we have, look, this is number 30 on your worksheet. Log base 3 of 14. How do I write this right here if I'm simplifying this? You could just write that as log, we could say log of 14 over log of 3. Okay, and then you would just simplify that right here, right? I could just take my calculator out. Sorry, taking a second. But anyway, I would just do on my calculator log of 14. There we go. So that would just be log of 14 over log of 3. So I would just say log of 14. Make sure you close it up. Don't forget that. Divided by log of 3. And just close it up. Okay. There it is, 2.402. Or you could just round it to 2.40 is just fine. Okay. Good enough. All right. So yeah, and that goes for the same way, even if it's a natural log, same thing. Okay. If it's, you know, if it's a natural log, regardless. Okay. So let's look at this 132 right here. We have log base 6 of 27. All right. So we convert that. It's a log of the argument. So basically the style here is log of the big number over log of the little number. And by log, I mean log base 10. So I'm going to say right here, log of the argument, which is 27, over log of the base, which is 6. Okay, so log base 10 of 27 over log base 10 of 6. And let's see what that comes out to be right here. So we're going to say right here, log of 27 over log of 6. That's 1.839. I'm going to round that to 1.84, right? So there we go. Oops, sorry. Excuse me. 1.84. Okay, no problem. All right, so all good right there. So there's some examples for you. Hopefully this kind of helped you a little bit. The video wasn't too long. Have a great day, guys.